Hey everyone, it's Sam here and I've got some new products. I've actually got a lot on my desk. So this is the brand new Changing Faces 2. These will allow you to create really funny faces. You can recreate family members, cartoon characters. There's so much you can do with these. We've already had lots of fun with the first ones. There's already tutorials over on my Made to Surprise YouTube channel showing you those. So if you're new to these and you want some more inspiration, check out those. So let me flip the camera around and we can take a better look at this collection and I can show you some of the faces I've already made. So here is a look at all of the wonderful new products. So there's a lot here and some of you will recognize some of the items, and we've kind of changed things up a little bit with one of them. So first of all, straight off is the brand new Changing Faces 2 set. So if you liked the first set, then these are new faces, new hairstyles, new expressions. We've got some different hand gestures as well. These will coordinate with the old ones as well if you have those. These also all mix together, so you could have that expression with that hair, you could have the hearts on these eyes. Literally everything will mix and match. 12 dies in the love and hugs, and then 13 dies in the smiles and happiness. All of the faces come on separate plates, so you don't have lots of little dies. Although they cut small pieces, the dies themselves, they're still a good size, so you're not going to lose lots of bits. Then you've got brand new additions. So this is your pop-up additions. You've got your newspaper, you've got a new hat, you've got a Alice band, headphones, and the other headphones here I absolutely love. The glasses, which are fun. You've got earbuds, you've got a mobile phone, you've got two different kind of vapes, but this one, when it cuts, it could also be a cigar and possibly a cigarette. I know some people are going to think we shouldn't be having them, but they're popular people. This is what people do. So I've put them in there along with the pipe as well, which I thought was a nice addition. You've then got some rings here. You've got an ear piercing, and you've got some necklaces, and you can use them for other things as well. You've got the scarf there as well, so it's a really lovely addition set, and I'm hoping you can see lots of that in these very cute faces that I've got in front of me. Then you've got your Bringing Gifts stamp and die set. We've done this separately because it is a standalone die. These extras here do work with the faces, mind you. So these are tattoos, and these are your freckles, and then this is the script for the newspaper. So if I bring in this one here, you can see all of that script there. And then you've got the lovely bouquet, you've got a present here with a gift bag, got a present, you've got a crate of beer, you've got a wine or a beer bottle, and that box of chocolates. So again, it sits really nicely with all the faces and the sentiments. So this is the new Hey You sentiment set. I come with drinks, happy birthday mate, did I hear you say party, I think it's time to get lit, you know I'm here, always here for you, hey stranger, long time no see, hey have I told you I love you, and then you are my favourite human. So these all work brilliantly with this and the pop-up, which we brought back. So this here is the pop-up card. Original ones, we first did them with the Christmas pudding and the chimney, and then I brought them out just as standalone dies like this, and the old sets just had these two, but what I've done is I've added this plate on the front so it lines up with the bottom cut line. It's all going to make sense when you watch the tutorials, but I know lots of people have been asking for this. It's a very simple mechanism, but it gives you a really good effect, and you can use it with lots of things. It doesn't have to be the faces. These have been made so many times, people have used all kinds of things popping out, and I do have a playlist already using this die set, so check that out and it'll give you more inspiration. Then something else that some of you are going to recognise are these papers, but we've mixed them up. So I have the best of, and I've just brought back some of those papers that I've really missed and I've enjoyed using. So you'll see the lovely little garden scene here, the clouds, which was in my very first paper pad. In fact, these four were all in that paper pad and I just loved it. So I've pulled out the stripes, the clouds, the leaves, and then the polka dots. And then we've got another garden scene there as well. So they work really well with the faces, but they were also popular designs. And I'll just give it a quick flick through there so you can see how lovely these images are. Stripes, and then that one. So you can have it that way, or you can have it that way. You can have it on the side, do all sorts with it. And then lastly, I have a new embossing folder, and this is the garden hedge, and it's a 3D embossing folder. And what I like about this one is it gives you this like edge, so you can cut that, but it's also great just with all the detail inside there. It's an 8x8 size, So you'll need a larger die machine, but it's just beautiful. It's going to look nice with just floral cards. It's just a lovely background. I'm looking forward to using this away from the faces and using it on like showstoppers and things like that, because I think it's going to look really lovely. So that is all of the new product. Here are some of the faces that I have made. There are more. I've got samples that Gemma's made, and you can see all of those on the live on Facebook, and I have a playlist on my Facebook page that you'll be able to see them all as well, and all the tutorials that I will share, and they are wonderful. I've also got all the hands here. You can see the one holding the vape, the one holding the mobile phone, and these will all go onto cards. So make sure you're subscribed to Made to Surprise YouTube channel, and that way you won't miss out on all of the cards when these videos go up. And as always, all the products that I've used today will be linked in the description box below, so go check it out. Take care.